Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Social Studies class. And we are now with the history lesson number 2, Hunters and Gatherers, the earliest human beings or the earliest people. We'll study in this lesson. The topics are about timeline, the Stone Age, the Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, Neolithic Age, and the Chalcolithic Age. So, in this lesson, children of history, lesson number 2, we'll be studying about the different Stone Age of human beings, that is the earliest human beings, or we can say the human beings when they become modern after the evolution, and how they started their life with. You can see here the timeline and the different stages of evolution of humans. See, you can see first here, children, human being was just like an ape, like he was on four legs or arms and two legs, that is a four legs we can see, but actually there are two arms. Then he started to walk little straight, his body posture. Then in the third you can see little more straight, more as a human being. Fourth, fully developed human being. And the fifth is a modern man, we can say. Not modern exactly means not think that he is now like this, but modern man means after the different stages of human beings, this the last stage is the perfect stage of human being what we are now. And in the beginning, human beings were also known as hunters and gatherers because they didn't know any occupation like farming or anything. They only knew to hunt animals and to satisfy their hunger, to gather the food from the forest, and they even didn't know to grow crops. So, their main thing was hunting the wild animals or hunting the animals, eating them, and second thing was gathering food. Only they collected the fruits fallen or the different what we say roots here and there, and they just gathered the food only to satisfy their hunger. They didn't have any other work to do. They were just hunters and gatherers. They lived a very old life which is called as a primitive life, which was full of hardship and struggle. Now you can see here, you children, I request you to open the what I say the timeline or page 10 of your textbook where the timeline is given. You can see here 1.9 million BC. I have already explained you about the BCE and CE, that is before common era, and CE means common era, means before the Christ was born. The years were counted as backwards. So it is written here Paleolithic is from 1.99 million BCE to 10,000 BC. So the BCE years are calculated backwards, children. So 1.99 million, year is 1.99 million BCE up to 10,000. So you can see the backward numbers from 1.9 million to 10,000 BCE. Then the second stage is Mesolithic age, which starts from 10,000 and ends at 8,000 BCE. Third is Neolithic or the New Stone Age, which starts from 8,000 to 4,000 BCE. And later, when human beings started using copper also, new metal, which was the first metal used by human beings, is copper. And that stage is called as Chalcolithic. Chalcolithic means chalco means copper and lithic means stone. So Paleolithic also. Paleo means very old, lithic means stone. So old plus stone, that is paleo plus lithic, that is equal to old stone age. Then meso means middle, lithic means stone. So meso plus lithic, that is middle plus stone, it becomes middle stone age. Then neo plus lithic, neo means new, lithic means stone. So neo plus lithic, that is equal to new stone age. And fourth, as I explained you now, chalcolithic means chalco means copper, copper plus stone. So here, why these stages have been divided, children? To classify the human beings, first how they use the stone tools. They only use stone. What they could see on the earth first, only stone. So whatever they hunted animals or whatever they did any drawing or painting, everything they did with stone. So this age is called as what? Stone age. The Charles Darwin theory of evolution is shown here. I showed you in the first PPT here. that how the human beings were evolved, and their basic necessity was to only survive on this earth, that is by eating and drinking water. So eating, they ate any animals raw meat or any roots they got or any fruits they got, and they covered their body with the skin of the animals. So that is the basic human being, the primitive or the old human beings, and they lived their life just as hunters and gatherers. And why this stone age are classified accordingly like this, what I explained you here in this PPT, to see the different varieties of tools. The tools were used and made in different ways. Starting Paleolithic, they just used the tools as they got, means as they got the stones they used it. So that is the old stone age. Later on they started developing the stone in different shapes and points and sharpness, so that is Mesolithic age. Then in the Neolithic age they also started cultivating little crops. They made different stone tools, so that is a Neolithic age. And lastly is the Chalcolithic age. So this is already explained here. So the stone age, because human beings used all the different stones to do their work, this age is called as what? Stone age. And the stone age starts from 1.99 million BCE up to 2000 BCE. That entire age is called as stone age. What is it called? Stone age. And as I explained you, that the stone age is divided into different categories according to the variety of tool they used, according to the formation of tools they used. So we will discuss now about the life of Paleolithic man. So the period from, I explained you this, 1.9 million BCE up to 10,000, this phases where they were just nomads. Nomads means what? Wanderers and gatherers. That is, they don't have any permanent home to live. They just wandered or traveled from one place to another in search of food, and just they wanted food to eat. So this Paleolithic again is divided into lower or early, middle, and upper or late. Since Paleolithic is itself divided into three stone age. What is it divided into? Three stone age. That is between 40,000 to 35,000 BCE, a new beginning came in human beings' life, and they started also making the cave paintings. That is, they started living in caves. First they were just wanderers. They just traveled from one place to another in search of food and animals and hunting animals. But later on they started living in caves to protect themselves from the harsh weather conditions, to protect themselves from weather and the different wild animals. They started living in caves, and in caves, whenever you sit idle at your home also, will scratch or draw something or just scribble something. So that was done by human beings also. When they sat idle inside the caves, they drew something or the other, and these are called as what? Cave paintings, which we'll study later. So the life of Paleolithic man is the sources. How do we come to know about this life of Paleolithic man? From the skeletons and the archaeological sources. In the first lesson I told you what is archaeology. That is excavation of the old, the things which were used by the human beings in the past, and the study of the past things like the weapons or the tools, that is called as what? Archaeology. So from the archaeologists we come to know about the life of the Paleolithic people and the different skeletons what we have got about the man and the animals. And which are the sites? Proofs of the life of hunter-gatherers have been found at many places. Generally, these evidences exist in the form of some finished and unfinished tools. Generally, this Paleolithic age was of unfinished tools. Only they just collected the stones and made the tools and used them. That is unfinished. And the places where they lived or where they made these stone tools, these places are called as what? Sites. And some examples of this I will explain you in the later in this lesson in the map, with the help of map. Hansgi, Baikbal Valley in Karnataka, all these are the places where the Paleolithic man used to live. And how we come to know that they used to live in so many years ago? I am talking about 1.99 million years ago. So how, that is million, and this 2020 we are now in common era. That is from common era 1 to up to 2020. So we have spent this 2020 years also, 2020 years also, and the before I am talking that BC, that is before that 1.99 million years ago. So this how do you come to know that this Paleolithic man was staying here? From the archaeological sources and from the tools and weapons they have collected. You can see the map here in the PPT what I have shown you here, children. So these tools were made like हैमर्स एंड चॉपर्स एंड एक्स हेड्स, मतलब कुल्हाड़ी वगैरह जो बनाते थे वो किससे बनाते थे? ओनली विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टोन टूल्स. एंड दे वर जस्ट कोर. कोर मतलब जो उनको स्टोन के टुकड़े मिलते थे बस उसको कुछ और नहीं करते थे, वैसा का वैसा उसमें से टूल्स बनाते थे. सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज कोर स्टोन टूल्स. So apart from food plants that grew at different places in various seasons, they followed the vast herds of migrating animals, hunting them for food, fur and hides. So they also wanted the greenery, the roots or the fruits, and also they went after the animals for eating their meat. And also they took what we say different clothing or the skin of the animals they used, and also the bones of the animals they used for their own purposes. So these were the tools of the human beings. What were the tools of the human beings? Of I am talking about the Paleolithic men. Stone tools, bone tools, or the skin of the animals or the bones of the animals, all this. And what are the core tools? They are directly made from the chunks of rock. Rock के टुकड़े, बड़े बड़े टुकड़े को खाली बस हाथ से तोड़कर उसको टूल्स की तरह यूज़ करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज कोर टूल्स. And they were not any shape, especially they were just whatever they were available. That is, see how the human beings are making different stone tools. You can refer to page number 12 of the textbook, how they are using the stone tools to stitch the clothes, to dig the ground. And also here you can see one human being making stone tools, how they are see applying pressure and cutting the stone tools. These are the different methods of making stone tools. So what are flake tools? Flake tools are made from sharp pieces, that is sharp broken pieces of rocks, and then shaping them into tools. They were used for chopping meat, especially they required these flake stones for chopping the meat and removing the skin of the animals. You know why the skin of the animals was used? To make their roof or use them as their clothing. So I hope you understood the life of Paleolithic man, that is sources, sites, tools and weapons, core tools, and the flake tools. These are the topics given on page number 12. So now children, we'll continue with the other topic now. Different ways of chipping the stone. स्टोन को कैसे अलग अलग तरीके से उन लोग शेप बनाते थे या तोड़ते थे. There are two methods. Different methods are direct method or hammering stone method, or indirect method or pressure flaking. Now we will understand both these methods, that how the human beings made the stone tools by using the two methods. I will read here from the textbook. It is given on page 13 also. The first one is called hammering stone. In this technique, a heavy stone was used to strike flakes off. Flakes off means to just to cut it. Another stone held in the other hand. एक हाथ में स्टोन पकड़, दोनों स्टोन ही होते हैं, बट वन हैंड वॉट यू कैच द स्टोन, विद द अदर बिग स्टोन यू हैव टू जस्ट कट इट द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द स्टोन, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लेक स्टोन, एंड गिव द रिक्वायर्ड शेप. एंड द सेकेंड मेथड, दैट इज हैमरिंग मेथड. खाली तोड़ना है, हैमर की तरह उसको तोड़ना है. हैमर वो भी क्या? स्टोन. स्टोन को दूसरे स्टोन से तोड़ना है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड हैमरिंग मेथड. एंड द सेकेंड मेथड इज कॉल्ड एज वॉट? प्रेशर फ्लेकिंग or indirect method. In this method, the tools, or we can say the tools or the stone tools, were shaped into different shapes like hammer, chisel, all this. How they see the pressure flaking, the diagram is also given in the textbook. So these are the different methods of cutting the stones. And what they made, like a chisel, then on a hard surface they hammered with the another piece of stone. मतलब एक पत्थर को एक हार्ड सरफेस पे रखते थे और दूसरे पॉइंटेड पत्थर को उससे उसको तोड़ते थे. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इनडायरेक्ट मेथड और प्रेशर फ्लिकिंग मेथड. सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द लेसन. आई एम ending the first part here. I'll be continuing the second part in the second part of this lesson. Here in this lesson we understood what? Hunters and gatherers, that is the earliest people, the timeline, and the Paleolithic man's lifestyle.